What I'm going to do today is a classic. The classic is known as the sidecar. Now, to make a proper sidecar, you need ingredients, elements of the highest order. And that is what we have today. So I'll start first by introducing you to Remy Martin, 1738. This commemorates when King Louis actually got these guys to produce and make for him this very special blend in the year 1738. Next, what I'm going to be using is Cointreau, which is among the most remarkable orange liqueurs that you can use, and then some simple syrup, of course. Some fresh ingredients, in terms of our lime or lemon, the choice is yours. So let's get into that right away. So we get firstly into our lemon. Ooh, that's a lot of seeds there, don't worry about it. Next, we have to balance the sweet and the sour. So I'm gonna go with 2 ounces of this. Cointreau. Amazing. So this I'm also going to do a 2 ounce measurement of 1 for each drink. I'm going to do 2 cocktails today for you guys. And then the star of the show, Remy Martin, 1738. So I'm going to be going with 4 ounces of this, 2 ounces for each cocktail, all right? There you have it, 3 simple ingredients, well 4, and you count our citrus. And now we shake. So the sidecar is the classic equivalent of what a classic martini or a Manhattan would be for another spirit. So I'm going to double strain this here. Look at the color. I don't think I need to tell you guys about the aromatics. It is absolutely amazing. So whenever you hang out with your buddies, you must always drink the best. Why have a bar buddy and drink regular or mediocre? It is not what we do at all. I'm going to finish this off with a nice rim of citrus. And then a nice zest of citrus as well. Do a nice little twist there. Get that on your glassware. And there you have it. Quick, simple, easy, classic, with one of the best cognacs in the world, Remy Martin 1738. Always stops. Sidecar, guys, it's done. I'm going to present one of these to my buddy Tyrone. And I'm going to have one myself, and we are going to cheers to the classics.
Buddy, this smells amazing. Can't wait to taste it.
No problem.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, buddy. So I think this Remy is
Yeah.
one of the smoothest Remys,
Yeah.
and the Cointreau actually kind of miles it out in terms of the citrus, because the citrus is a little biting, and then the sweet balances back that citrus as well. So
Definitely.
I love it. Cheers.
Yeah, indeed.
Cheers.
I wouldn't advise you to have a sidecar while riding in a sidecar though.
We shouldn't.